Hello and welcome to the 2XL Company's Brand Building Blueprint 2.0 series. This is session one, the introduction to our Brand Building Blueprint 2.0. I'm Mike Neffel, founder of the 2XL Company. We are a full service marketing agency for the legal industry. I've been helping brands to grow their practice and individual lawyers grow their practice and portfolio for over 30 years. Our brand building blueprint 2.0 is something that we have worked with for 15 years. The 2.0 version is enhanced with AI. This shouldn't surprise anybody. It's very necessary. We take a 5-step block building approach. One step leads to the next. Profile, reach, connect, engage, and convert. Those are the 5 steps to building your business. And it's very important nowadays because with AI, clients are starting to pull some of the legal business that they traditionally have gone to lawyers and law firms for. They're starting to do some of the things in-house with AI assisted, some of the more routine things, if we could call them that. And therefore, it's going to be extremely important to build your business and grow your business. And that's what we're here to help you do. Our program is based on the fact that one size fits all does not apply to lawyer marketing. Law firms are not interchangeable businesses. Not every firm is looking to grow the same way or at the same pace. To reach the right people at the right time, your strategies must be tailored and not templated. In addition to that, how people find lawyers has changed. I'm not telling you anything you don't know, but I do want to just bring this up to get us all on the same page. 10 years ago, people searched Google. Today, people ask AI which lawyer they should get. Tomorrow, and tomorrow is coming very quickly, AI will recommend the lawyers people trust most. And that is the group that you want to be in. AI will create the winners. Even if you already have a strong brand awareness, a successful track record, a market-proven expertise, the next step is building authority, discoverability, and AI trust. These are the 3 elements that will get you in front of the right people at the right time with the right message and get them to call you, or as we say, and it might be a bit old school, make the phone ring. Brand components in the AI-fueled world we live in is visibility, reputation, and relevance. Are you seen? What are people seeing about you to help shape their perceived image? And are you relevant to the things that they need to know and to get them to move to action to contact you? AI is the gatekeeper of visibility, reputation, and relevance. From a marketing standpoint, that is it. Modern AI systems process vast amounts of data to determine what information is seen, how brands are perceived, and who is considered authoritative. The ultimate goal is to connect and convert, of course. Traditionally, some of the tactics that were used were SEO, campaigns, ads, lead buying. In our 2XL Blueprint V.2, we have injected AI discovery, authority system, trust signals, and lead generation. Essentially, our brand building blueprint V.2 will create a lead generation machine for you that's working 24/7 while you're practicing law, while you're taking your lunch break. It is constantly finding the right people, getting the right message in front of them to get and encouraging them to engaging with them to get them to contact you. Our program is grounded on American Bar Association Formal Opinion 512 that doesn't approve or ban generative AI. It does something more consequential. It says that AI doesn't change your duties, AI changes your failure modes. If AI is involved in your workflow, you must be able to show when human judgment re-entered the workflow, what was verified, and why reliance was reasonable. It's very important. AI is sending out some things out of law firms that may not be accurate. And law firms and lawyers are facing some consequences, both in reputation as well as financially, uh, for some of the inaccuracies that is being provided by AI. So if AI is involved, you must be able to show when human judgment re-entered. Is very important. We have designed and we have created, and it's included in our brand building blueprint, a proprietary system called the Safe Console, SAFE. It's a defensibility layer for lawyers that covers your entire marketing process. SAFE, S is for scope. What is AI allowed to do here? And what we do is we work with you to create an AI scope card for each practice group. Each practice is going to use AI differently. Each practice is going to have to inspect AI differently and audit what AI is producing. As we say, and this may be an oversimplification, but a one-page scope card taped to a monitor beats a 30-page policy manual that nobody reads. We're big fans of keeping things simple. Let's get the AI scope cards created, and that will provide direction on what needs to be inspected. Assess confidentiality and risk attached to anything generated by AI that will be disclosed to others outside the firm. Extremely important. Again, as the ABA Formal Opinion 512 says, your duties do not go away. You are still responsible for what comes out of the firm. So you've got to assess the risk attached to anything generated by AI. Force of human review. Now, this is something AI can help you with, and we can build in red flag triggers that are, as ABA, the Formal Opinion 512 ties competence and tribunal duties to review for accuracy. Certain points that are going to be a need for inspection, a red flag trigger, and it can be that simple. Instead of you having to go look through a whole document, AI can help take you right to the spot that it generated the content. You review it, edit it, or sign off. Either way. E is for evidence defensibility. You build an AI decision ledger that documents your reasonable efforts to monitor AI generated content. The program does this for you. What you do is review things, initial or sign, and the ledger is created. And this is very important because down the road, the question may came, what reasonable efforts were put into making sure this information was accurate? You've got your ledger. Again, that's our own proprietary system, the Safe Console Defensibility Ledger. Very important. Why this blueprint works? Because it's fueled by AI and agentic technology and developed to generate ROI. Return on investment is extremely important. We're big fans of whatever we're doing, always keeping an eye on what's the return going to be, how is the return going to be achieved. When you're working with marketing, sometimes things are passed through as, well, it's going to work. Yeah, well, good. How is it going to work? If we're paying the money, what's the value we're getting from it? If it's value in brand awareness, that's fine. If it's value in lead generation that we can tabulate and assign to the cost of generating a lead, we need to know that. But again, everything we're doing is based on generating an ROI for your marketing dollars. Also, it's going to work because it's the convergence of what's possible, what's sustainable, and what makes sense for you. This gets back to my statement of one size fits all does not apply to the legal industry. What makes sense for you may or may not make sense for the law firm down the block or your competitors, but we're working with you and your firm and your lawyers and looking to grow their business. The law firm AI recommends are going to be the lawyers AI trusts will capture the market. As your growth partner, we will help you and your firm become the law firm AI recommends. That's what's happening. People are asking AI, and AI is actually just by monitoring what people are looking for, this and that. AI is actually jumping in front saying, hey, here's a list of people that you need to contact. Here's a list of lawyers. And you need to be on that list. We know how to get you there. Brand building blueprint 2.0. Again, it's a 5-step model. One step leads to the next. The following, as we're going to just real quickly go through the 5 steps. In the profile step, we help you define who you are and why you're chosen. Prospects are fed AI ranked profiles, reviews, and articles. We know that. So let's really get in and make sure the profiles, reviews, and articles are what you want to be known for. The winners will use AI tools to show what you want to be known for. Again, we're going to help you do that. Reach from consistency to discoverability. It's not about getting ranked every day, every time. It's about being discovered when a person's need arises, and AI can help you monitor people's needs and get you right in front of them when the right time comes. We use AI curated, we'll create AI curated authority, signal to noise advantage, platform intelligence. These are just some of the tactics that we employ to enhance your reach. Connecting, how to be seen, heard, and quoted. Now, this is connecting both with the AI platforms as well as ultimately with the consumer. Schema strategy targets AI assistants, not just crawlers. AI reputation mirrors. We're constantly monitoring to make sure that what people are seeing and what's being presented for your brand is what you want it to be. AI-driven search strategies, of course. Those are some of the things that we're using in this connect stage. The engage stage, from perception to proof, people will have a perception of your brand image formed. And now we're going to provide proof with AI-assisted empathy, predictive follow-ups, generative authority building. These are things that are really going to engage people and capture their attention so that it will be time to convert them with AI-supported growth decisions. We will constantly be monitoring AI conversion analytics. AI is actually going to help us do some of that. Personalization at scale, it's here. Everyone on an individual scale, when they get your message, it will be tailored to them, what they've been looking for, what they're searching for. And that really gets into the definition of reaching the right person at the right time with the right message. Brand resilience and just duplicating that over and over. That is the lead generating machine that I spoke of earlier. The developers, just want to introduce us to you real quickly. My name is Mike. I'm the guy on the right, founder of the 2XL company over 30 years ago. My background is advertising, and with that, I bring a structured, strategic, and creative approach to every client. I've worked with lawyers from across the USA and around the world. Jan Gerritz is the partner on this, and he is also 30 plus years of market proven end-to-end marketing leadership, P&L driven innovation, and scalable brand acceleration to every client. Jan has led Fortune 500 transformations, restructured agencies to top rankings, and scaled digital first ventures. Both of us have provided consulting and advertising services to some of the most well-known brand names in the world. And we are ready to bring all of our experience and expertise into the AI-driven world that we are in now. We look forward to working with you. If you want to find out more about the Brand Building Blueprint 2.0, feel free to call either of us at the phone numbers listed here, or send me an email at mike@2xlcompany.com. Again, this is the first session for the Brand Building Blueprint V.2. There will be follow-up sessions that get into more details on the 5 steps and how your firm can benefit from engaging in this process. Thank you for taking the time to view us, and I look forward to talking to you soon.